All right, this is going to be your first starter tutorial on how exactly the site stripe works for Amazon Associates. So right now I have the Clam Quick Set Venture portable pop-up tent up. This is something that I wanted to put into my blog on 5 reasons why you need this tent. Not necessarily what I would be doing, but in this case, this is kind of how it would work. So let's say I wanted to be able to get commission off any time somebody clicks on this link and is able to purchase it from my blog. I need to make sure that it's a commissionable link. So you're going to click this text option and you are going to click copy and you're going to come over here. And as you can see, I've written portions of it, but this is my blog. Anytime I mention this Clam Venture piece right here, you are going to want to link it. So automatically you just click that link, put that in here, and that's automatically what's going to show up as that blue hyperlink. And then clicking on that, if they were to click on that and purchase from that, that's exactly where it's going to go. And you're just going to want to go through and put that to a good chunk of all of the ones, oops, a good chunk of all the ones in there to make sure that anytime they click on it, they have multiple opportunities to do so. So that is kind of how you do that piece of it. So that piece of it is really just how to get them to click on that link if you have that blog, but other opportunities land on your Amazon page. So in my Amazon page, this is the Amazon storefront. You can see there's a lot of information and you've got videos, idea lists, and scrolling down here, just being able to show you just a little bit of everything that I have posted in here. So being able to showcase these things, is going to be key. You have photos, videos, and all of that is going to be an indicator on how to get that. So if anyone links this adventure and repeat shop Amazon page, anyone who clicks on any of the links on here to purchase and watches a video on here, it's going to automatically give me commission for that. So that's why you do want to showcase just about anything you have in your kitchen in these things, because if somebody goes in and says Brittany really has great kitchen accessories and meal prep, I'm going to go start looking through her storefront. It gives you an opportunity to purchase all of these things, and that would automatically get you a commission. So as you can see, there are multiple ways for you to be able to get different forms of income, whether that be in your Amazon storefront, whether that be linking blog posts that are going to be able to be promoted through social media, or maybe you have a really super popular blog that just automatically gets that traction. Either way, both are the opportunities to be able to use the affiliate links and the Amazon storefront to your advantage to start making commission.